Cannelloni al Forno. A side dish from Italy. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken in a blender or food processor and process until finely ground. Transfer to a bowl. Step 2. Place the mushrooms, garlic, parsley and tarragon in the blender or food processor and process until finely ground. Step 3. Beat the mushroom mixture into the chicken with the egg, salt and ground black pepper and lemon juice to taste. Step 4. If necessary, cook the cannelloni in plenty of salted boiling water according to the instructions on the package. Drain well and pat dry on a clean dish towel. Step 5. Place the filling in a pastry bag fitted with a large, plain tip. Use to fill each tube of cannelloni. Step 6. Lay the filled cannelloni tightly together in a single layer in a buttered shallow casserole. Spoon the tomato sauce over them and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes, or until brown and bubbling. CountryReports. Serve the cannelloni garnished with a sprig of parsley.